Hi guys, welcome to a new Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a rolling text animation manually in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's dive in. I've already prepared a project, so let's open a default 1080p sequence. If I double-click, I can open it. Step 1. Adding text. First, we need to write the text that you want to roll. To do this, select the text tool by clicking on it. Then, click anywhere on the program panel to type your text. In my case, I've already copied some text, so I'll just paste it here. I'm using a series of years as an example and will create a rolling animation to reveal 2025. Step 2. Formatting the text. After writing or pasting your text, go to the Essential Graphics panel. If you're using the 2025 version of Premiere Pro, this is called the Properties panel. If you don't see it, go to the Window menu and select Properties or Essential Graphics from there. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can adjust the font, size, and alignment. I recommend clicking the Center Alignment button to position the text in the middle of your program window. Now, your text is ready. Step 3. Masking the text. Before animating the text, we need to mask it so that only part of the text is visible at any given time. Go to the Effect Controls panel. In the Opacity section, you'll see options to create a mask. Select the rectangle mask. By default, it creates a mask in the center of the program window. Adjust the mask size and position to cover only a few digits, 3 or 4 years. Increase the mask feather slightly for a smoother transition around the edges. Step 4. Animating the text. Now, let's animate the text. In the Effect Controls panel, look for Vector Motion and locate the Position property. Set the starting position where the text is out of view. Add a keyframe for position at the beginning of the timeline. Move to the point where you want the animation to end, after 7 seconds. Adjust the position so that the final text, 2025, is revealed. To make the animation smoother, right-click on the starting keyframe, select Temporal Interpolation, and choose Ease In. Do the same for the ending keyframe, but select Ease Out. Step 5. Refining the motion. To refine the motion further, double-click on the Effect Controls panel to enlarge it. Adjust the curves for the Ease In and Ease Out sections to make the animation start slowly, speed up in the middle, and slow down at the end. Step 6. Adding motion blur. To make the animation more realistic, add motion blur. Search for directional blur in the Effects panel. Drag and drop the effect onto your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, set the blur direction based on your animation, 0 degrees for vertical motion. Add keyframes for blur length at the start, middle, and end of the animation. At the start and end, set the blur length to 0. In the middle, increase the blur length to 20 to 30 for a smooth motion blur effect. Step 7. Adding sound effect. Finally, add a sound effect to enhance the animation. Sync the sound effect with the motion of the text to make the animation feel dynamic and engaging. Final touch. Play back your animation to review it. Adjust the timing or effects if necessary. Once satisfied, export the video, and you're done. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel and want to learn more about video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, goodbye.